Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to easily plug your TP-LINK Deco X50 into power. So as you guys can see, I've got 3 of them right here, and now what we can do is basically we need to turn them around. Here we have the first one. Now here we have the plug-in, so we just need to basically pull the adapter into it. Now it's turned on, so let me quickly get it off here. Now moving on, we're gonna get the second one, and here we're gonna plug it just like that. So let me just get the cable, and here as you guys can see, it should change its color to yellow. Now after a while it will change its color to blinking blue, and as you guys can see, now it's plugged in. We see the yellow right here. And now let's plug in the third one, and here we need to do the same, basically plug it in. Now let's place it, and as you guys can see, we've got the color. So that's how we basically know that it's plugged into the power. So all that's left to do is wait for it to turn into blinking blue, and everything should be okay. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.